Okay, now I am going to start the problems of curved surface areas of cylinder. You know the curved surface area of cylinder and total surface area of the cylinder. Curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h, where r is the radius of the circle and h is the height of the cylinder, and this is curved surface area. And total surface area we know also 2 pi r h. He say total surface area is equal to 2 pi r h plus area of both circles. There are two congruent circles at the ends of cylinder. So area of both circles is equal to 2 pi r square. Now take common 2 pi r square. Okay, both r will be same. We take here small r. Now take 2 pi r common, h plus r. That is total surface area of the cylinder. Okay, 2 pi r into h plus r, where h is the height of the cylinder and r is the radius of circular ends. Okay, so knowing this formula, we will do the problems regarding cylindrical pipe. Now write down the questions. An iron pipe 20 cm has exterior diameter equal to 2.5 cm. If the thickness of the pipe is 1 cm, find the whole surface area of the pipe. The iron pipe is 20 cm. Suppose that is a iron pipe which is in the form of cylinder. There are outer surface as well as inner surface, and thickness between surfaces is given 1 centimeter. Okay, now you have to find the total surface area of the circular cylindrical iron pipe. Means you have to find the outer surface area plus inner surface area plus area of both circular ends. The outer surface area, you know, outer surface area 2 pi capital R into h plus inner surface area 2 pi small r h plus area of both circular ends. The area of all circular ends is equal to pi capital R square minus pi small r square. And same thing is here also. So 2 times area of the circular ends. So the total surface area of the pipe is equal to external surface area 2 pi capital R h plus internal surface area 2 pi small r h plus area of both circular ends. Area of one circular ends is equal to, that is this one. This thing is hollow. This is a hollow cylinder. Hollow cylindrical pipe. So pi r square minus pi r square. 2 times because there are 2 ends of the same shape. So that is the total surface area, the whole surface area of the cylindrical pipe. Okay. Now it is given iron pipe height. You know height of, that is the height. The line segment is running to both center of the circle. That is the height, and height is given h is equal to 20 centimeter. External capital D, external diameter is given. So find internal diameter d by 2. So you can external diameter is equal to 25. The external radius will be 20 by 5 by 2, 12.5 centimeter. Now internal radius thickness is 1 centimeter. Okay, so internal radius will be 12.5 minus 1 centimeter thickness, which is 11.5 centimeter. Now we got height, capital R, capital external radius, internal radius, and after that put the values of h, r, capital R, the small r in this relation. We will get the area of whole surface area of the cylindrical pipe. Okay. After putting these values in that relation, we will get the final answer. Okay. Now second questions I am giving, which is of same type. Now write down second question. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The diameter of the cross section is 4 centimeter. The inner diameter of cross section is 4 centimeter. The outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. The outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Find the first inner curved surface area, second outer curved surface area, and third total surface area of the metallic pipe. Okay, here you have to find separately also outer surface area or inner surface area, and after that you will find total surface area. Okay, so here capital R, your height is 77. In this question height is 77. H is 77 centimeter. Inner diameter, inner radius will be 4 by 2 centimeter, and outer diameter 4.4 centimeter. Outer radius is 4.4 by 2, that is 2.2 centimeter. Okay. Now we got the information from the questions. Height of the cylinder 77 centimeter. Inner radius of the cylinder 2 centimeter, and outer radius of the cylinder 2.2 centimeter. Now we find inner curved surface area. Suppose inner curved surface area is denoted by S1. Now we have to find 2 pi small r into h. Now put the value of pi 2 into 20, 2 into 22 by 7 into a small radius 2 into height 77. Now solve it. We'll get the answer 968 centimeter square. Okay. Now find outer cross surface area. Now outer surface area is denoted by S2. S2 is equal to 2 pi factor r into h. Now put the value of pi 22 by 7 factor r is equal to 2.2 and h is equal to 77. Okay. After solving, we get the value of 1064.8 centimeter outer surface. Now there are two questions. Total surface area. Total surface area you can find S1 plus S2 also, and total surface area will be external surface area plus internal surface area plus area of circular shape of both ends. Now S1 is got 968, S2 got 1064.8 plus. Now let me 2 times area of the base. 2 into pi take common 22 by 7 into r square minus r square. Now add this 968 plus 1064.8, it gives 2032.8 plus 44 by 7 into, put the values of capital R 2.2 whole square minus small r 2 square. Now break it in identity, a plus b into a minus b, 2.2 plus 2 into 2.2 minus 2, it gives 2032.8 plus 4 by 7 into 2.2 plus 2, 4.2 into 2.2 minus 2, 0.2. Now from 7, it will be cancelled, it is 0.6. Now multiply 2032.8 plus 44 into 0.12. You should multiply it, it gives 5.12. Now add this. It gives 2038.08. So that is the whole surface area of the metal pipe. Okay, in this question you have to find separately inner surface area, outer surface area. And then finding inner outer, you can add both inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area. It gives 1984.4, and also find the whole surface area S1 plus S2 plus 2 times pi capital square minus pi square. After putting the values and solving it, at last we will get the final answer will be 2038.08 centimeter. Okay, so that is a problem based on circular pipe cylinder. Okay, now we'll do the problems from NCERT books as well as other prescribed books also. By knowing this formula, iron process. Okay, thank you.